Yo, what's up? We're going to be taking a look at a screen protector that's actually a matte material. You could also get it in clear material, but this is going to offer some really cool features. It's got oleophobic function, scratch and wear resistant, high definition vision. It's also going to give you anti-fingerprint and explosive proof efficiency. It's also got high rigidity defense friction. So it should be pretty smooth when you're scrolling. It should feel like very soft material when you're touching the display. Right now I have a clear case with a screen protector on here, but we're going to be stripping this thing clean and installing the matte screen protector. So stay locked in. If you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, get notified for more videos just like this. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this thing in a little bit more detail. Right here, it says the Glass Screen Pro Premium Tempered. This shows all the specs right here, so you can take a screenshot of that. But it says right here, this is the name of the company, BYIUIHS. It's not even a real name. It's more like a bunch of letters combined. It says 2-set 8-piece screen. You know what I mean? And then it has the matte material. That was the thing that I actually liked, because matte materials actually feel good when you're scrolling, when you're swiping on the screen. I don't know, like I've been using my phone and my thumb for some reason feels like real, like after swiping on the screen for a minute with the screen protector on there, it kind of like makes your thumb feel like very sore. So I want to get rid of that. I want to make it feel more natural, and I still want to protect my display so that it won't scratch, because I did get a nasty scratch on there. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, cool. So this is the screen protector right here. And you can see not too many people bought it. It doesn't even have, it has one review. So I kind of wanted to take a look at it because nobody really checked it out. I kind of wanted to get a matte screen protector for a minute, matte or clear. So I got the matte, and you get the $10% off coupon on here too. And so let's go ahead and take a look at it. You can see that some of the specs, this is plastic material, and it's for the Google Pixel, anti-glare, glossy, everything like that. So it's going to show you all the features right here. You could pause that and read it, but let's go ahead and open a packet. And this is actually different packaging than I've seen from a lot of different screen protectors. This is actually going to give you 8 pieces. So you get your screen protector accessories. You get three of them right here. Then you get this little card to flatten the screen with. Then you get this thing right here, which is the material that you're gonna install with it. So you get couple different ones that shows you which ones it is. So there's a bunch of them. Two for the inside, 2 for the outside. All right, so let's see what we get inside of the accessories. So we're gonna use one of these to clean it. And right here, it says right here that we get alcohol prep pad and some dust removers. All right, so let's get the alcohol prep pad ready so we can actually install it. I'll wipe this down because I do see some dirt on here. This is definitely difficult. But let me pause the video. I'm gonna pause the video and I'll get back with you. All right, guys. So it was a bit of a struggle to actually get the back on here to get on there. So it's a slight struggle to get that on there. So we have the side piece right here. I'm gonna put this over there, but we actually have this thing that can get out the bubbles. So let's go ahead, lift this up. That's just the cover. And then the fingerprints also, I noticed, get trapped on there too. Okay, so this is, let me see. All right, so that's not too bad right there. So what you want to do is make sure you put this over top of the camera region. It's going to start sticking to it. So this is way easier, this one here. Let me see. So I'm going to remove this one first, lay that flat, and I want to remove the piece that's under it, this little piece right here. Now let's lay that flat. Much better right there. Screen is locked. You want to clean it off first. All right, so you just put this over top just like that. But there's still one more layer on here. And this is the piece that needs to be on the display, not this piece. Okay, I see what they did right there. So you want to line this up. You have to take that part off first, and then you could put this on. Very sticky material right here. So one more time. Cut it out. And that feels really good to the touch. That matte on there, that matte screen protector feels really good. Then what you want to do is quickly peel this up. Get dust in it. But this is actually good enough. Folds nice and good. So you got matte on the inside, on the outside, anti-glare as well. Anti-scratch. All right, so I want to talk about the key takeaways from installing this screen protector. And so you're getting the back cover. You're also getting auto repair. So if you get daily scratches on here, it's going to actually, in 24 hours, it's going to actually remove automatically from the display. So any scratches that are on here, you have that auto repair technology built into this. Has a really nice matte finish on all sides, even the hinge. The cameras are actually going to be exposed, so this feels really good to the touch. It's going to feel very smooth when you're putting your finger on it, so it doesn't feel like there's any resistance when you're swiping, because the plastic screens, they tend to grip onto your finger and kind of make it scafe after a minute, which is going to be very uncomfortable. But I could already feel the difference using this screen protector. So you're not going to get scratches on there. The scratch that I have under the display, like on the physical display right now, you could kind of still see it, but it's not as obvious with this matte screen protector, because it's gonna actually remove any glare on the display. The facial ID works right now. You can see right there the facial ID is working really nice. I'm gonna put the brightness all the way up so you could kind of see it better. And then on the inside, I have the screen protector on here as well. And it's going to take some time for all the bubbles to actually pop out on their own. You don't have to, do it yourself. Over time, it's just going to happen automatically. I keep activating my flashlight with the double tap on the back, but this is going to be a definitely a more comfortable experience when you're scrolling on the inside and the outside. It's going to resist scratches. There's no issues with the hinge. It's actually just flat right in the center, fits right over top of the other screen protector that's built out of the factory, so you don't have to do anything extra. So there's just like one more bubble right here left over, and now that's gone. So you can, if you want, you could kind of just ease out all the scratches. I mean, not scratches, but the bubbles with this piece right here. That's going to take them out automatically, or you could just use it over time and they will conform to the display and kind of just get rid of themselves. But you have that auto repair technology, that nice touch. When I'm using it, it feels really good. Anti-glare, so you're not going to get that glare on the hinge when you're watching movies. At any angle you could put it in, and it's not going to give you a glare on the middle. So the hinge is going to be less noticeable, like the crease, is going to be less noticeable. So those are my takeaways when installing this. And then the other thing is it's going to be a lot more grippy in the hand because it just doesn't feel slippery anymore. It feels really grippy. So I actually feel comfortable using this without a case now, even though I'm probably going to put the case on here as well, just because I'm kind of OCD when it comes to using phones without a case, because I've had some experiences where, uh, you know, it just didn't feel right. You know what I'm saying? So we'll put the case over top of it as well. Obviously, that's gonna for the back, it's gonna, you know, defeat the whole purpose. But for the screen, it's gonna feel a lot better to browse on, right? And then on the inside, it's gonna feel a lot better to browse on. So those are my takeaways. I definitely think that you should pick one up if you want a better experience when it comes to the touch experience. Like the touchscreen experience with this is definitely going to feel a lot better. So like I said, the cameras are going to be right here. It's going to that aluminum metal material. I don't have any scratches on there, but I feel like I need a case on here just so I don't get none, because it's going to rub on surfaces when you have it flat like this. And when you put it flat like that, it's going to scrape against whatever it's leaning on, which is going to cause scratches. So that's the only reason I would put a case on here. But other than that, those are my key takeaways. Hopefully you guys did find this video helpful. Just type down below, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm. But I'm going to check you guys later, okay? Later, crew. Peace.